Yes, hello everyone. Today we'll start with conjunctions. Okay, so what is a conjunction? Conjunctions. Junctions, which joins two things is a conjunction. Is a connector is a conjunction which join two phrases, two clauses, two sentences, sometimes two words. So anything which joins is a conjunction. Anything which works as a connector is a conjunction. And the most commonly used conjunction is and, as soon as, scarcely, because, therefore, all these words are conjunctions. So we'll start conjunctions in aorist spotting format only, and we learn about conjunctions in aorist spotting. So the first question is, she was not so well versed in English that they had expected. She was not so well versed in English that they had expected. So in all वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है कि उसकी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी जितना they expected. So you have to link this conjunction. So with this conjunction that, so they two are not jibing together. They don't jibe in a single sentence, and at the same time so is followed by as. So the correct sentence will be, she was not so versed in English as they had expected. जितना expect किया था उतने versed नहीं है वो English के अंदर. So as they had expected is like jibing with so. So so is followed by as in a sentence when they are used as a conjunction. Next sentence. He not only comes here for having lunch, but also for the glimpse. He not only comes here for having lunch, but also for a glimpse of the beautiful sales girls. Now again, not only but also is a conjunction and is a paired conjunction that is not only will not be will like it cannot come like this only. Not only. Not only is always followed by but also. But the thing is, whenever you use not only, either or, neither nor in a sentence as a pair, you have to use not only as well as but also after the verb and before the task they are doing. Like if I say he not only comes, so I have to say he comes not only for having lunch. The correct sentence will be, he comes here. This verb is common for both the things. So not only will come after this verb, and the correct sentence will be, he comes not here not only for having lunch but also for the glimpse of the beautiful sales girls. For the glimpse of the beautiful sales girls. So in all I repeat, not only but also, either or, neither nor, these words are something which will be used after the verb, not before the verbs. Yes, next question. Both the rich along with the poor, both the rich along with the poor are responsible for a great many vices, for a great many vices with which our country is inflicted, with which our country is inflicted. Both the rich along with the poor are responsible for a great many vices with which our country is inflicted. Now look at the question carefully, you will get to know the error. Either you should write it like this, both the rich and the poor are responsible for a great many vices with which our country is inflicted, or write it this way, the rich along with the poor. Like you cannot use two different connectors in a sentence. both and along with will not be coming together in a single sentence. They both are performing the same task only. So we have to remove either of the two. Either we have to write both the rich and the poor are responsible, or we have to write the rich along with the poor. So let's say we are taking both the rich, and then along will be omitted, both the rich and the poor, and the second connector used will be and the poor are responsible, and the rest of the sentence will come as it is. Yes, I hope this is clear to you all that either both will come or along with come, because they both are performing, both of the words are performing the same task only, and you cannot use two connectors which they perform the same task. Yes, the next is no sooner did we find out a solution. No sooner did we find out a solution to the problem when another problem cropped up. Now, if you look at the sentence seems to be correct. The sentence seems to be perfect. Like no sooner did we, no sooner is always followed by an inverted form of verb. So we have used that. Like no sooner is followed by did. So this is inverted form of verb. So this sentence seems to be correct, but there is a silly mistake in this. And the mistake is no sooner will always be followed by then, as we have paired connectors like not only but also, pair connector, either or, neither nor. Similar way, no sooner is always followed by then. So in place of this when, we have to use then. So the correct sentence will be no sooner, the rest part will be same, and we will use then in place of when, then another problem cropped up. So you'll have to remember this, you'll have to memorize this, that no sooner is always followed by then. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, next question. She is not only sympathetic to the rich patients, she is not only sympathetic to the rich patients, but also to the poor ones. Yes, again, not only but also का एक sentence already we have done above. There I told you that not only will be used after the verb, not before the verb. So this sympathetic word is both for the rich patients as well as for the poor ones. So it will be like this. She is sympathetic not only to the rich patients. Now not only will come after sympathetic, not only to the rich patients, and the rest part of the sentence will be written as it is. Yes, next sentence. The teacher advised the students to go through the notes as many times as possible, lest they would fail. The teacher advised the students to go through the notes as many times as possible, lest they would fail. Again, the word lest is always followed by should. This is something to be remembered. This is something you have to keep in mind, that lest will always be followed by should. And यहाँ पे lest is getting followed by would. So we have to correct the sentence. Rest part of the sentence is correct. It's perfectly fine. The teacher advised as many possible lest they should fail. So in all, lest, the pair lest and should will be used to give warning. So whenever we wish to give warning using lest, that should always be followed by should only. Yes, next question. He instructed me then I should do all the work as quickly like him. Now, as is a conjunction, and as is used this way. As the word, then as. So the sentence will be like this. He instructed me that I should do all the work as quickly as him. As quickly like him is wrong. So here we have to use as. So the correct sentence is he instructed that I should do all the work as quickly as him. As is always followed by as. Yes. Next sentence. I would have the watch rather the pen. I would have the watch rather the pen. So rather in all is used for comparison. When we choose one of the two things, when we give priority to one thing. So now words like rather and other is always followed by then. So we have to use then after rather. So the correct sentence will be I would have the watch rather than the pen. I repeat, we'll always use than after rather and other. If we are using rather or other in a sentence, you cannot use it without then. Scarcely he had reached the station when the train steamed off. Scarcely had reached the station when the train steamed off. Now scarcely will always be followed by inverted form of verb. In like one of the above sentences we use no sooner did he. So did was inverted form. Inverted form means form of verb or the helping verb which is used before the subject. Generally a helping verb is used after the subject like this. He had, he is the subject here, had is the helping verb, but scarcely, no sooner, these words take inverted form of verb. So scarcely had he reached the station. They'll always take inverted form of verb and then the inverted form is followed by the subject. Not the subject followed by the helping verb, but the helping verb followed by the subject. So the correct sentence is scarcely had he reached the station when the train steamed off. Yes. The next sentence is I was thrilled although father gifted me a camera. So you have to define the moment, that the moment when I was given a camera by my father, I was thrilled that moment. So for defining time, for defining moment, for defining particular time, we use when. I was thrilled when my father, मैं thrilled कब थी जब मेरे father ने मुझे camera gift किया. So I'm defining the time, I'm talking about the moment I was given a camera by my father. So the correct sentence will be I was thrilled when father gifted me a camera. So I hope you got some of the connectors, how to use them, how not to use them, when to use them, and they are used in which manner. And this is one of the good ways of doing things. So thank you for today.